Hey guys, Matty from BuiltRight here, and today we're going to be installing a bar system in our 2021 F-250. So included in your bar kit, you're gonna get some extrusion. It's 1x3 extrusion. You're gonna get a driver's side bracket, a passenger side bracket, and then you're gonna get some assorted hardware. Included in your hardware kit, you're gonna get 4 T-slot nuts, 4 bolts for those nuts, and that's gonna be to mount up the bar to the brackets. And we're also gonna include some accessory hardware so you guys can mount up whatever you're gonna be putting on your bar, whether that's your panels or your tools. To install the bar in your Super Duty, you're gonna need a ratchet, a T40 TORX, an extension, and a 5/32 Allen key. So it's time to prep the bed to install the 2 brackets that are gonna be for the bar. To do that, we're just gonna remove the 2 tie-down points that are on the bulkhead of the bed. So using our T40 TORX, we're gonna remove the 2 bolts that are holding the tie-down end. So we're going to be reusing the 2 bolts that hold the tie-down on. We're not going to be reusing the tie-down, so make sure you hold on to these. Now we're ready to mount up our 2 brackets. The brackets are sided, so there's going to be one for the driver's side, which I'm holding in my hand here, and one for the passenger side. The way that we can tell the difference between the 2 is that these 2 mounting features, along with the logo, are going to go under this larger cutout, and they're going to go to the outside of the bed. So we have our brackets in, and we don't quite want to cinch them all the way down yet, as we still need to test fit the actual extrusion. So leave them a little bit loose for now, and then we'll come back around and tighten them up. So now that we have our 2 brackets mounted up in the truck loosely, we're ready to dry fit our extrusion. So what we're going to do is we're going to just drop it into the brackets, move the brackets to where they need to be, and then tighten the brackets down, pull the extrusion out, install the hardware in the extrusion, and then install the extrusion in the truck. So now that we have our bar dropped in, we can see that it's perfectly lined up. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to finish tightening down our 2 brackets. So to prep the extrusion, all we're gonna do is take our T-slot nuts, and we're gonna slide them into the top and the bottom of the 3-side extrusion, and they don't have to go super far in, and we're gonna do that to both sides. So now we're just gonna drop our extrusion back into the brackets and slide our slot nuts over into position, and then using the 1/4-20 hardware provided and a 5/32 Allen wrench, we're just going to install the extrusion into the brackets. And with that, your bar system is installed. We've gone ahead and outfitted the rest of our truck with some other BuiltRight gear. We have our bedside racks, a couple of riser mounts, and a pack out mount. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out. We'll see you later. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And with that, your bar is installed. It's going so well.